Riparian plants come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. And really, what I first recommend is if you've got a situation where you're going to be planting some riparian plantings, around a retention basin or a waterlogged area, first walk around your local area. If you've got similar stream banks or similar waterlogged areas in your area, visit those areas and see what native plants are naturally growing there. Those, of course, will be the areas that will survive the best in your local climate and soil conditions, and kind of try to mimic those natural areas as much as you can in your riparian plantings. And so this jewelweed is a very common native plant, very beneficial riparian plant, because again, this plant thrives in both extremely wet, waterlogged areas and also semi-dry to sometimes fully dry areas as well.